Hey, this is Craig and Janie D, and this is your 1-minute wellness tip for today. Whenever your day gets interrupted, what are you going to do?
So today we have a snow day. Gianna's home from school. We are going to spend time cooking all the healthy foods we need to have on hand for the week. So today we have got this stuff over here. Look at this. We are making Brussels sprout salad with pomegranates and rice vinegar dressing. We're also going to make some butternut squash with walnuts and apples baked in the oven. And Gianna, can you tell us what is your best thing that you're looking forward to us making today?
Hot pecan butter.
And what are we going to dip in that pecan butter?
Apples.
Sounds delicious. So you can find a way to enjoy the day that you have, even if it gets disrupted. Get your kids involved, teach them some healthy cooking, and you will have on hand all the things that you need to get through your week and still eat healthy
That's exactly right.
and live a life of wellness. Have
All
a
right.
great day.
See you later.
See you
Bye.
next time.